Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a Takisawa TW-46. Couple key features: 15-inch chuck, big bore machine, heavy duty, Fanuc 21T control, 8-station turret, does have a tailstock. We are going to run the machine for you, run it through its paces, the chuck. You hear the turret, a couple tool changes. If I miss anything, feel free to let me know. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. A close-up of the Fanuc 21T control. Get a close-up on this 15-inch chuck. Takisawa B15 chuck, 8-station turret here. Along with the tailstock here. You're gonna run this is the program right here. There you have it, guys. That was the Takisawa TW-46. If I missed anything, you want to see anything else, videos, more photos, feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600. Or for more information, quote, specs, and features, please visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us. Guys, you like this machine, you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as usual, guys, thank you for watching.